Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So this wig review is from Janet Collection. I did pick up this unit off of ElevateStyles.com and it is not sponsored. I did get this with my own coins for you guys. This unit is called IMAN and it's brand new. It's from the Natural Me Lace Light Collection and this one is in the color DR1B Rose Gold. And the color super confuses me, the color name. I would expect for this wig to be rose gold, which would be like either a champagne color or like a slightly pink color. But this wig is really like a dusty brown to me with 1B roots, which is a beautiful color, but the color name is just very confusing. If you guys feel like this is rose gold, like please share with me how, because I was just like very confused. But I love the color. I think it looks great on my skin tone. So this unit obviously has a middle part. It has very soft lace. It has 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I added my Ebin lace tint spray in medium brown for this one, and I think that worked out just fine. I cut off the lace and I just literally cut one small swoop of a baby hair towards the end, and I didn't do any other baby hairs or anything like that. This unit is super big and thick and full, and I thought it was just a little overwhelming and like way too much. So I definitely thinned it down with some heat. So this is what it looks like with the left side thinned down with some heat and the right side still the way that it came. I feel like the wig lays much flatter and it just did better and was more manageable after I blow dry it with my Yellowbird blow dryer on high. So that worked out really well. If you guys like this outfit that I'm wearing, it is from SHEIN. I have a coupon code for you guys, and I also did a haul video. It's up on my channel, so you can definitely check that out. The hairspray that I used is from Paishu, and I absolutely love them. I will link them down below as well. And the leave-in conditioner I used was from Carol's Daughter. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the video. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys my new chain. It says DRAGONESS. It is from Yafeini jewelry. They do custom nameplate jewelry or anything you'd like they can do. Their shipping is super fast and the quality is really pretty. I'm super happy with that chain. And I actually really like this wig. It just takes a little bit to get it going and then it looks great. So if you guys want to grab this unit, there'll be a link down below to ElevateStyles.com. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.